Hello everyone and welcome to Learning Updates. Today in this video I am going to show you again some free certification courses provided by udemy.com. So the first course will be Professional Diploma of Marketing Manager Business Partner. So in order to continue with this course, so there are no special requirements to continue with this course. This course is for anyone who wants to build a career in marketing and business field. So who is a marketing business partner or MVP? The marketing business partner act as a vital bridge between the marketing department and the specific business units or divisions within an organization. They work to deeply understand the needs and objectives of a particular business area, translating those needs into effective marketing strategies and campaigns. So, what you will learn in this course? You can see the course learning contents are already provided over here. Introduction to the role of MVP, marketing business partner, MVP role in new business and product launching, customer research and analysis, market business analysis, product marketing packaging, and marketing versus sales. And also, you would have to cover promotion part. So here are the some course contents provided over here according to the content. So this course is absolutely free for 2 days left after applying this coupon code. After that, you have to pay 1499 rupees to purchase this course. In this course, you will get 1 hour on-demand video and full lifetime access after purchasing this course, and you will get the free certification after completing the all learning content provided over here. So the next course we will move further is the professional diploma in procurement, sourcing, and supply. So again, in order to continue with this course, there are no special requirements. The course is for everyone who wants to build career in procurement, sourcing, and supply chain field. So what is procurement? Procurement is the overarching process of acquiring goods and services that a company needs for its operations. It goes beyond simply buying things. Procurement covers identifying needs, finding suppliers, negotiating contracts, ordering, receiving goods, services, payment processing, and managing supplier relationships. So what we will learn in this course is introduction to the procurement, sourcing, supply chains, procurement process, planning, procedure of procurement, and focuses of work. You can see there are 5,482 students already enrolled in this course. This is highly rated course. In this course, you will get 1 hour of on-demand video, 11 articles, and full lifetime access after purchasing this, applying this coupon code, and you will get the free certification after completing this course. Move on to the next course. The next course will be Coding Basics, Gentle into Computer Programming. As the name implies, this course is for the beginner who wants to pursue their career in coding or programming fields. This is the entry level programmers course. This course is for you if you are newbie to coding and curious about learning and practicing coding. Anyone who wants to enjoy coding and boost his career. So what you will learn in this course is take the first step towards the success in coding. Write your first program, coding with confidence and logical thinking, apply coding to perform various tasks, and so on. So this is a 2 hours of on-demand video. You will get 2 articles and 7 downloadable resources. You will get the free certification and full time lifetime access after applying this coupon code with this course. So this coupon code will expire within after 3 days. You will have to purchase this course after paying 1709 rupees after the code expires. So before the coupon code expires, you have to check out this course after applying this coupon code. So move on to the next course. So the next course will be C programming basics to advanced level. So these schools will be C developers, C++ developers, Java developers, school or college students, freshers, trainers, also other language developers, as a C is the basic fundamental language to all other languages. In addition, with all those who interested in cracking interviews. So what you will learn in this course is develop your skill, power, logical and verbal wise to gain in-depth knowledge in C programming from basic to advanced level. Help you to solve lot of programs, C being core basic fundamental language to all other language, hence lead to good programmer in other languages too. So those are the area you will learn in after enrolling this course. You can see there are 23,581 students already enrolled in this course, and with also they are very good rating after providing them after enrolling this course. So you will get the 11 hours of on-demand videos, or there will be a huge learning content provided with this course, 106 downloadable resources provided with this course, and you will get free lifetime access and will get the free certification after enrolling this course. Move on to the next course. The next course will be GitHub and Markdown crash course. Learn GitHub and MD. So this course will be also for software developers, software engineers, web developers, Python developers, Java developers, and C plus developers, PHP developers, and entry-level developers who want to continue their coding experience in this portal or uploading their work in GitHub virtual workspace. So this is very much useful for them. So what you will learn in this course, you will learn GitHub and Markdown, track and record code changes, avoid losing important files and parts, manage software projects, codes and changes, branching and merging capabilities, and so on. You will get the 1.5 years of 1.5 hours of on-demand video, 5 downloadable resources, and full lifetime access after applying this coupon code. And you will get the free certificate of completion. The already 3 days left within apply after applying this coupon code. After 3 days, the coupon code will expire. And move on to the next course. It will be the diploma of Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM Business Architect. So also there is no special requirement to complete this course. This course is for anyone who wants to build career in IT and Microsoft Dynamics implementation. What is Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM? Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM is a customer relationship management software. Is a cloud-based software suite designed to help business manage and their interactions with customer and potential customers in a centralized way. It's provide tools for sales, marketing, and customer service, allowing businesses to optimize their processes, improve customer experience, and drive growth. So you will learn Dynamics CRM 365 banking, mortgage, real estate, and partners and channel course focused to examples of large-scale implementing of CRM several banks with deep customization of functionality and integrating with systems. So this will be the learning contents, and you will get the 1 hour of on-demand video, 11 articles, and 2 downloadable resources. You will get the free certification and full lifetime access after applying this coupon code. This code will expire after 2 days. Move on to the last and final course in this topic. So this course will be the CSS crash course for beginners. So this course will be for the people who is new to CSS, for CSS beginners, for the people who wants to learn CSS fundamentals and later transition into web designing. So you will learn introduction to CSS concepts, practical demonstrations of CSS concepts, practically getting started with CSS styles and CSS fonts, and while write CSS scripts and understanding concepts and so on. You can see there are more than 1 lakh of students already enrolled with a very good rating after completing this course. They already provided some good feedback and after completing this course, and you will get the 1 hour of on-demand video, full lifetime access, and free certification after completing this course. So that's all about today. I hope you find this video very much useful. If you will find this video useful, then please share with this video with your colleagues, your people surrounded by you, your friends, and so on, so that they also find this video useful and get an opportunity to complete this on-demand certification courses and enhance their career in new way. Thank you for watching.